Hey guys, welcome back to John Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing Ooblets for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing this out on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. I'm running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM with dual channel memory and commentary. I bet you guys are surprised about that. Bro, I don't care. Let's just get into some. I've done it. I've done it. What do you mean too short? I've done it. Moving on. Moving on. Moving on. I feel good. I want to test some Ooblets on the Nintendo Switch, guys. That's right. Today we're testing out YUZU Emulator once again. I'm curious to see how these games perform. It's been a while since I've done commentary for emulation. Once again, the headphones are still an issue, but hey, we're using some other ones for now, and it works for right now. Let's see what can possibly go wrong, right? Now, Ooblets doesn't look like a demanding game, but you never know. I don't even think this game is out yet. It's still in early access, I believe. But hey, it's on Switch, so it must be out. I decided to leave to go where? And I mean, it's running really well, which is what I expected. That intro screen was so deceptive. We're using 7.5 gigabytes of RAM already. That's a lot of RAM we're using. We're not using much VRAM though, only 1.4 gigabytes. That's not bad. The GPU and CPU seem fine, but obviously we're not hitting 60 FPS. Games like this are struggle to hit 60. Oh, whoa. The area is a bit heavy. But this is what it is with emulation. Higher end software may give you better performance, and sometimes it may not. It depends, you know? The games just might not be as optimized as yet. The Nintendo Switch YUZU has always been great to me though. Most games do run quite well, without much issue. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I'm just gonna mute myself now, so enjoy the rest of the gameplay.
Oh God. I am a little. Oh. I am a little. Oh. Oh. No. No. Di hutan. In. No.